Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change your channel name in your Slack workspace really quickly to use, for example, a custom name. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to your Slack workspace and take a look at that panel here to the left with the list of all associated channels in your workspace. So what you want to do, guys, is simply right click on the given channel you would like to customize and edit. So let me go, for instance, with that one here, right click on it. Select View Channel Details, and what you want to do, guys, is here at the top where you see channel name, simply click on Edit here to the right to edit your channel name. Type in the new name here. Bear in mind though that you will have only 80 characters for that. And once you're content with your new name, simply click on Save Changes here so that these changes and the new name may be applied instantaneously. And that's it, guys. That's how you rename your Slack channel really quickly. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it. And we'll see you next time on our channel.